Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mila B, and today I'm trying out these dip powders, glow dip powders from Double Dip Nails. I used 2 of the 3 colors that I had because I was going for this look that I saw on Pinterest. Of course, you know, I like to always put my own spin on things, so instead of just doing the white, I wanted to add a little purple just to give it a little pop. So the color that I'm using on my first 2 nails is called Bodacious. For the pinky nail, I wanted a solid color, but for the ring finger, I wanted to kind of swirl it around so I can come back in with some glitter later on. So you'll see me doing like a little different technique. Guys, I'm trying. Like with dip powder, I feel like it's so hard to do little designs. So you'll see me kind of go back and forth throughout the video and just trying some new techniques and all kind of stuff, guys. So because I decided to do my nails so long, you also will see me pouring the dip powder this time instead of actually dipping it. To me, this just works easier when the nails are long. And honestly, I think I'm going to start doing this all the time because I did a lot less filing this time. Another thing I did differently is I went ahead and fully covered my nail on the second coat. And then the third coat is when I build my apex. So you'll kind of watch my technique this video. You'll see how I did things a lot differently. But I will say this is probably the best my dip nails have ever come out. So just keep watching. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button. I'll be back in a minute when I get into the design. So right here is when I start building my apex. I know this looks weird, guys, but once it dries, it actually laid down perfectly. And I ended up doing this, I think, about 2 more times, maybe 1 or 2 more times. And then I was able to turn my nail to the side and my apex was perfect. So from here on out, I'm just going to do that. I'm going to do the first coat just to kind of hide or blend the tip to the nail. Second coat all the way to the top of my nail, and then the third and fourth coat is focused on building my apex. So see, I keep getting closer to the cuticle, and guys, it was just perfect. I don't even know what made me do this, but it came out perfect. So I will say my apex was easy. Like, of course, I had to do some filing on this nail because I kind of got carried away with the base, but outside of that, it came out perfect. Once my nails dried, I brushed away all the excess powder, and I came in with the activator and I applied it to all the places that I applied the dip powder. And I waited on it to dry before I started my nail design. To apply my glitter, I decided to use acrylic and some monomer because it's really just easier. So what I did was I just dipped my brush in some monomer and some clear acrylic and then picked up a little bit of glitter. And I just moved it around my nails to the place that I wanted it. And once I was done applying the acrylic, I capped my entire nail with clear acrylic. I pretty much did the same thing on this other nail. I just concentrated more of the glitter closer to my cuticle, and then I feathered it out the closer I got to the tip. So I filed, shaped, and buffed my nails off camera, and then I came in with the top coat from Double Dip Nails, and I decided to apply some cuticle crystals like this picture that I found on Pinterest, and I just applied a few of them, and then I came in actually with a second coat just because I wanted it to be extra shiny, and then I decided to apply it to the rest of my nails and let it dry for took about 2-3 minutes to dry completely. And then I come in with my cuticle oil. This is what my nails look like outside. I absolutely love these guys. And then I decided to use my nail lamp just so you guys can see how they kind of change colors and glow inside. And then this is them in the dark. So thank y'all for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys later.